I'm sure you remember the late Tasia Haynes, a constituent of mine who died far too young from secondary breast cancer just over a year ago. Tasia's experiences drove her to campaign for evidence-based interventions to better support women living with metastatic breast cancer. And we debated her petition here in the Senate that received more than 14,000 signatures, and I think you met with her when you were Health Secretary. One of the things Tasia called for was better data to give a clearer picture of the disease in Wales. The first reports of the national audits for primary and metastatic breast cancer were published last September, but the reports were unable to deliver a comprehensive picture of primary and metastatic breast cancer in Wales due to incomplete data. So what steps have Welsh Government taken to ensure health boards collect this crucial breast cancer data, and when will Wales start providing data to the audit's quarterly data dashboard so patients can know the state of breast cancer services in their region? How are you supporting health boards to implement also the clinical recommendations made in the reports to ensure patients are getting the breast cancer treatment and support they need?
Diolch yn fawr, and you're quite right that Tasia Haynes was one of the most inspirational women I've ever met. I mean, she was dying and she would not let go of this issue. She was absolutely all over the detail of what needed to be done, and she did change the Welsh Government and the NHS in Wales, and I want to pay tribute to her. You know, her legacy lives on today, certainly in terms of the support for metastatic breast cancer nurse specialists. That, of course, is a workforce matter, and it's up to health boards to determine that. But you're quite right, we still need to do a lot more work on data, and I will ask the Health Secretary for what the NHS executive is doing in relation to that.